Hey guys, and welcome back. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, which is CourseBox.ai, the innovative online platform that revolutionizes the process of course creation. CourseBox.ai offers different pricing plans to cater to various needs. The starting price of CourseBox.ai is $0/free forever, making it accessible to everyone. So whether you're an educator, trainer, or content creator, CourseBox.ai is designed to make your life easier. So, let's dive right in and explore the features and benefits of CourseBox.ai. So first, this user-friendly platform offers a range of tools and functionalities to help you create engaging and impactful courses. And generate a draft course structure and content in seconds. This means you can create an online course in under 1 hour. The intuitive drag-and-drop builder allows you to easily organize and customize your course materials according to your unique teaching style and objectives. With converting documents, website pages, and videos into a course. And engaging your learners with quizzes, videos, and other interactive content. So with quizzes, you can assess your learners' understanding, while videos provide visual content to keep them captivated and motivated throughout the course. So CourseBox.ai offers a comprehensive solution for course creation, whether you're an individual educator or an institution. It combines simplicity, flexibility, and engaging learning resources to empower you to create high-quality courses efficiently. Then publish your course as private or public. But that's not all. CourseBox.ai also offers additional features to enhance your course creation experience. These include the ability to create private courses to train staff on confidential information, sell courses on the CourseBox marketplace, set up mobile apps for learners, handle reporting, send newsletters to your audience, manage events, and integrate with other apps. Finally, sell your course or export it to your LMS. So who is CourseBox for? CourseBox is for anyone who wants to create and publish online courses. This includes: with educators, CourseBox can be used by educators to create online courses for their students. With trainers, CourseBox can be used by trainers to create online courses for their employees or clients. With entrepreneurs, CourseBox can be used by entrepreneurs to create online courses to sell to their customers. So anyone else who wants to share their knowledge with the world, CourseBox can be used by anyone who wants to create and publish online courses, regardless of their experience or expertise. So if you're interested in creating an online course, I highly recommend checking out CourseBox. It's a great platform that can help you save time, money, and hassle. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more creative AI tutorial content.